If you've never been to Yzerfontein, best you put it on your to-do list. I was absolutely bowled over by something I saw here, and it almost brought me to tears and restored my faith in South Africa. Apart from it being a really picturesque town with a scenic beach line, when you're in this town you get the feeling that the residents are ultra proud of their town, and rightfully so. It is so well laid out with walkways and benches along the coastline. The houses are all in pristine condition. I didn't see any litter lying around, and I felt a definite sense of safety. We stopped off at the Weskuspudstall for breakfast and coffee on the way into the town. What a gorgeous place. Just the right place to pick up those holiday gifts for friends and family. A lot to see. Beautifully displayed, and a huge variety of gifts and wines. The service and breakfast is good too. There is a nursery out back. The whole place has a good vibe and friendly staff. We stopped on the main beach, and off to one side was a coffee stand, with great coffee by the way. But what amazed me the most was I noticed this trailer with bags of firewood and the price of the different bags. I parked next to the trailer waiting for my coffee and thinking, where's this guy who sells the wood? I mean, shouldn't he be sitting watching his wood? And then I noticed a sign on the trailer, and I actually had to get out of my car. And the wind was blowing on this day, to go and look that I had read the sign right. It said Brian Trust. The Bri part registered in my head, but I had to read nicely on the trust bit. It said take what you need and EFT the amount into the following account number. I don't remember when last I saw something that made me feel such a deep sense of hope. Yzerfontein, you must be doing something right. Well done on your exceptional town.